Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bilqeesah Sadeeq. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and while you're there, don't forget to hit the notification button because you love me and I love you too so much. So we're going to wait for you while you do that. I'm pretty sure you're done now, so we're just going to go ahead and start the video. Today we're going to be making cupcakes. Honestly, vanilla cupcakes. They're very easy, but I thought I should just show you guys how I make my own vanilla cupcakes. So let's go through the ingredients. So first of all you're going to need is milk. This is milk and sugar, baking soda and baking powder, butter softened, a pinch of salt, 1 large egg, and flour. So that's basically all. This makes 6 cupcakes actually, just 6 cupcakes, exactly 6 cupcakes. So we're going to start by putting in the sugar and the butter.
My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still savvy. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. Once I was 11 years old.
So I forgot to tell you guys, you need vanilla extract. This is the one I'm using. So you need like half a tablespoon of vanilla extract.
I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
Now we're adding the egg.
We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old.
To add in the milk, so we're going to add in 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of milk. And a tablespoon of milk. Now you need to preheat your oven. I'm going to preheat mine, and we're going to bake this for like 17 to 20 minutes, and I'll be back. So before that, let me go preheat my oven.
Songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still savvy. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. Once I was 11 years old.
So these are going into the oven for like I told you 17 to 20 minutes, and they'll be out, and I'll show you what they look like. So it's done now. I just got it out of the oven. So you need to get a toothpick and stick it in until it comes out smooth. Can you see that? So, which means it's done. So, that's how I make my vanilla cupcakes. If you liked it, comment down below and subscribe. What else? Pretty much all. That's it, honestly. So yeah. Bye. See you guys on my next video. If you like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, tell me what you want me to make next. Whatsoever you have in mind, just let me know, okay? And